How to delete Xbox account permanently. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete Xbox account permanently. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser according to your preferences and then go to xbox.com and make sure to log in with your account. If you are logged in with your account, now if you navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner, click on it. Now from this pop-up box, you have to click on My Microsoft Account. That will take you to your next page, that is your Microsoft account page. Here, click on this profile name. Now here, scroll down a bit and then under account info there is an option that says close account. Click on it. Again, that's gonna take you to your next page. Here, scroll down a bit, or under this section there is a button that says close account. Click on it. Now for the verification, you have to enter your device fingerprint, PIN, or now, after you're verified, you will land in this page which says that if you're sure to close or delete your account. Here, make sure to read this information, and on this page it says just in case you change your mind, we will wait 60 days. You can change this as well. You can click on this drop down and choose from 30 to 60 days before we permanently close your account. During this time, this account is marked for closure, but it still exists. To reopen your account during this time, you will need to prove your identity using your current account security info. So after the 60 days, your account will be permanently closed. Once they're done, click on next. Again, make sure to read all of this information, and at last you have to select the reason why you are deleting your account. Once done, you can confirm this and make sure to click on this all check box right here for your confirmation. Once done, click on mark account for closure. After that, it will ask for your confirmation again along with your verification, and it will ask for your password. Once you're verified, your account will be marked for closure, and after the 60 or 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted if you do not relog in between that period of time. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.